Hey yo, welcome back to my channel. So guys, on today's video I'll be reviewing this Garnier Skinactive face cleanser. I'm so sorry I've not been on your channel to watch your video. Your day has been so freaking busy, but I promise you guys I'm back. Not fully back, but I'll be on from time to time. So today I'll be sharing with you how this face cleanser have changed my life. So for all those who are interested, just keep watching. So you first have to go and wash your face properly. You got you some cotton. Shake your cleanser very well because this one is mixed with oil and water. And now I'm just struggling to put some quantity on the cotton, as you can see. Yeah, so that's it. You put just enough quantity. I first go in with my eyes because I have a problem with my eyes. I always have that eye circle. I don't know why, but it's always there. So yeah, just go in and I clean it properly. Just just doing my thing. So yeah guys, your girl has been freaking busy. Not really busy. The coronavirus has really been affecting a lot of us out there. I hope you're doing very okay. I hope your family and loved ones were not affected in this pandemic. And so yeah, just still going in with the process. Just keep watching and see what you guys are doing. I'm just here to thank you for always giving me that love and support on this channel, because without you I will not be where I am today. So thank you so very much. I really do appreciate each and every one of you taking out time just to check up how annor'a is doing. So I'm just doing the same process, cleaning it all over. Try to go down to my neck side. Just always make sure you keep it on a neutral color. While you're cleaning your face, always make sure you go down to your neck and do the same thing to have a perfect skin tone. Yeah, so that's it. So I'm done. You can see the cutting. See how dirty the cutting really look like. This is a face I washed with my face wash. You can imagine if I didn't wash it before I go in with this. So yeah, I'll just drop that and I take a second one. I always like to just to do it twice to remove all the remain left over from the day on your face. So that's just it. I just put a little one and a little cutting this time around, not too big like the first one, because you've already done the great job at the first time, so you don't need that too much. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you so very much for watching. If you watch right up to this moment, please do not hesitate to give me a thumbs up. You can see the cutting is still there, see, you can check it out. It's still there, like so I go in around my mouth, my nose, just to keep it perfect. So thank you so very much for watching. I really do appreciate you that's watching right there. Much love from my end to you. So please do not forget to help me and share the video out. Please help me and share it out. I know just one of you share can change annor'a's story. Just one share. Just share it out. No one knows. Someone might be looking for a perfect face cleanser. Someone might be looking for it, and the person might watch the video and be like, wow, I need to get this because this cleanser is really amazing. When you use this cotton and clean your face, you don't even need to apply any more of your maybe face cream, if I call it that way. Because the water is mixed with oil, so when you go in with your cotton and you clean your face, it's just so perfect. So I'm done. That's how my face turned out. I love you also very much, so much. Definitely will be seeing you in my next video. Until then, annor'a says bye and peace out. Always remember to drink you some water and you just mind your own freaking business. Bye.